What's up mga ka-investa? Kumusta kayo? Good evening sa ating mga ka-investa ngayon and welcome to another session of our year starter workshop. Now today I will be talking about what market to start with in 2022 and I'm sure marami sa inyo ang interesadong mag-invest, no? Whether or not you've been investing already, or maybe you want to diversify your funds, maybe you want to try investing in other markets. And if you're just curious, you want to learn more about different types of markets that you can invest in, no? Stay tuned because that's what I will be talking about later. And of course, I'll be talking about the markets based on my experience, no? I can't teach something na hindi ko alam, 'di ba? Hindi ko pwedeng ituro yung investment vehicles na hindi ko naman pinag-iinvestan. So medyo limited lang yung aking knowledge, ano, honestly. Pero gagawin ko yung best ko para ma-share sa inyo yung natutunan ko in my almost 7 years of investing, no? So nagsimula ako sa stock market and of course nag-explore din ako ng iba't ibang market. So this year baka interesado kayo na mag-invest in something else, baka interesado kayong mag-crypto, mag-stocks, mag-forex, or kung ano man yan. So pag-usapan natin yan later, no? So let's just wait for more people. Ayun, lipat na sa forex, sabi ni Sir Redmar, no? Meron tayong isang forex trader. So shout out to everyone. I hope na okay lang yung audio ko, no? Just tell me if sabog or clear ba siya. Let me know, guys, if you're here. And then before we start, no, I'd like to ask you guys a question, no? So this is my question. What are you investing on now? And I'd like you guys to comment down below if you're investing in stocks, in forex, commodities, mutual funds, crypto, REITs, real estate, or other investment vehicles, no? So comment nyo down kung ano yung pinag-i-investan nyo ngayon. And if wala pa, no, just comment still learning. Yun. So comment your answers below and we'll be starting in a few minutes. Let's just wait for more people to be here in our live stream. Welcome everyone to who are watching. Good evening or good morning kung nasaan man kayo. Good afternoon. And yan, I've been seeing a few answers. Mark is still learning, no? Al is investing in crypto. Mr. Lee is investing in PSE stocks, no? And then sabi kanina ni Redmar, ano, lipat na daw sa Forex. Ayun. Yun. So, may iba-iba tayong traders sa iba-ibang market and later on, i-discuss natin ano yung mga pinagkaiba, no, ng mga ito. Mel is investing in PSE Global Crypto and Mutual Funds. Wow. Grabe. So, ang daming experience ni Mel. No, congratulations. So, kayo guys, kung hindi pa kayo nag-i-invest, of course, you are welcome to be here because this is a learning experience, diba? Sabi nga ni Mark, still learning pa. So tama yan, kailangan matuto muna tayo bago mag-invest. So I hope I'm clear, guys. Medyo mahina yata yung internet ko, so let me know if I'm lagging, let me know if okay yung voice ko, no? Bernard here is investing in stocks, REITs, and mutual funds. Yun, very diversified. Ayun. So, Christel, I've been waiting for this. Excited to learn and start investing this year 2022. Ayun, congratulations. And I hope na makapag-start ka na as soon as possible, no? Gabriel is investing in PSE stocks in crypto. So, interesting, no? So, later on, pag-uusapan natin kung ano nga ba yung mga pinagkaiba nito. And if beginner ka pa, saan ka pwedeng mag-start? So, before we begin, no, let's wait for more people. Good evening, and magpe-play muna ako ng konting videos just to show one of the investment opportunities we have in Investa. But we will be starting in a few minutes.
We have one ultimate goal. Enable 10 million Filipinos to invest. 6 years later, our impact on the investing community is undeniable. Filipinos are now equipped with free and accessible financial literacy content and user-friendly trading tools. Although Investa's journey has not been kind, we will never quit nor falter. We are just beginning. It's finally here. The new Investa app, the latest investing platform that will enable Filipinos to invest easily and affordably. Sa halagang 100 pesos, kaya mo nang mag-invest sa top-performing funds locally and globally. Free sign-up for early access is now open. You can be the first few to experience the newest Investa app. Take your first step towards becoming an investor. Tuparin natin ang pangarap mo. Ito ang simula. Will you be a part of it?
Yun, shout out sa mga nag-i-invest sa mutual funds. Meron tayong bagong new Investa app, bagong new. So shout out dito kay Dario. No, let's just wait for a few more people. And ito si 𝐒𝐓𝐀 crypto daw ang kanyang ini-investan, no? So interesting. So guys, again, the question is, what are you investing on now? So are you investing on stocks, Forex, mutual funds, crypto, REITs, real estate, kung ano man yan, or are you still learning? Comment down below para malaman natin, no, kung saan nga ba nag-i-invest ang ating mga ka-investa. No? So we will just play one more video loop and then we can start our session today. And huwag kayong mahiya na magtanong later on. No? I'll try to do my best to provide value this evening sa inyong lahat. No? So just one last video loop and we can start the session tonight. Alright, so there you go. Meron tayong new Investa app if interesado kayo mag-invest in mutual funds. Pero later on, i-discuss rin natin, no, kung ito ba yung tamang investment para sa'yo. So, shout out muna tayo before we start. No, merong mga bagong dating. So, mahina daw yung mic ko. I'll just put my mouth closer. And let's look for more investments. Si JP, PSE, and crypto. So, congratulations. Good evening sa inyong lahat. Ito naman si Dario, Stocks and Paluwagan. So, nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung paluwagan pero sana legal yan, di ba? Ito, PSE, MP2 at crypto. So, si Mark nag-i-invest sa tatlong investment vehicles. No? So, interesting. No? Interesting, no, kasi in-expect ko karamihan or 90% ay crypto, 'di ba? Sobrang lakas ng crypto hype this year, no? So ayoko nang patagalin pa. Let me just share my screen so that I can start my presentation for tonight. All right. So welcome again everyone to our year starter workshop. Let me just fix my There you go. All right. So today pag-uusapan natin what market should you start with in 2022, and later on meron tayong mga exciting prizes. Meron tayong 6 winners ng shirt and Prime Elite access for 1 year, no? So para sa mga nag-i-invest sa ating Investa app, meron kayong chance to win. So stay tuned to the last part of our session. No? So ito, no, if hindi pa kayo naka-comment down below, gusto ko lang malaman kung ano yung ini-investan ninyo, no, whether stocks, forex, commodities, mutual funds, or kung ano man yan, crypto, real estate. Let us know by commenting them down below. Pero 'di ba, ano nga ba yung point ng ating session today? I'm dedicating this. Dedicating. This is for the people who would like to start out, no? Sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-invest, wala pa masyadong alam about investing, pero gusto mong matuto, gusto mong maglagay ng pera kung saan mamumultiply ang pera mo. No, this is for you. And if you want to try something new, baka nakapag-trade ka na either PSE or crypto, pero you want to diversify your funds, siguro malaki na yung kinita mo, gusto mong ikalat, 'di ba? This is one of the ways for you to make use of your time tonight. All right. So, I'll just give you guys a few figures, no? And tignan natin kung ano ibig sabihin ng mga numbers na ito. Una is 1.4 million Filipinos. And I hope if hindi nyo kami kilala si Investa, 'di ba? Ang goal natin is to enable millions of Filipinos to invest, to become financially free. And kung titignan natin yung numbers, kumusta nga ba yung Filipinos ngayon? Last year nakikita natin na merong 1.4 million Filipinos na nakakapag-invest sa stock market natin. And if titignan natin yon in comparison to our population, 'di ba? Medyo maliit siya kasi 1% pa lang ng Pilipinas ang nakakapag-invest sa stock market. Considering na stock market ng Pilipinas, ito yung isa sa pinaka-oldest, no? Tayo yung mga nauna na magkaroon ng stock market sa Asia, one of the first ones. Pero bakit ganun? Parang hindi natin yinu-utilize. Bakit hindi alam ng tao na investing in the stock market or investing in general is one way to make you rich in a world na, in the country na medyo money is hard to get by? Bakit hindi natin tinitake advantage yung investing opportunities sa stock market? Next, 4 million Filipinos, which is roughly 3.6% of the population. Ano kaya to? Meron ba kayong mga hula, guys, kung ano yung nire-represent ng number na ito? Ayun. So, shout out to everyone who is here. Good evening, good morning to everyone. Ayun, nakakita ko ng mga maraming nag-i-invest, still learning, PSE, MF. Pero ano nga ba itong 4 million Filipinos or 3.6? This is the investing population sa crypto. Or rather, ito yung mga crypto owners sa Pilipinas. And this is an estimate by AAA, no? A crypto company. And interesting enough kasi 'di ba, sobrang dami ng nag-i-invest na ngayon sa crypto as compared to the stock market, which started years and years ago. And relatively, 'di ba, bago lang yung crypto, pero ang lakas talaga ng impact niya. So it's a good thing, no, kasi mas maraming tao yung natututong mag-invest, and maybe it's not always good. Sana educated lahat, no, bago nakakapag-invest. So I hope na matulungan namin kayo in your journey, whether you're starting in stocks, in crypto, or in mutual funds, or kung ano man yan. And the next thing is 54 million adults. Ano kaya itong number na ito? Right. Just let me know, guys, if my audio is okay, if I'm not lagging. I hope hindi ako naglalag. Pero itong 75% ng adults sa Philippines ang wala pang investment. 'Di ba? So anong sense ng mga pinagsasabi ko, 'di ba? So napakakonti ng investing population, napakalaki ng wala pang investment. And nakakalungkot siya kasi, 'di ba, sa Pilipinas parang lagi tayong nire-regard as one of the poorest countries, third world. Pero ang daming investing opportunities, and investing really is one of the equalizers for wealth, 'di ba? Imagine pwede mong i-multiply yung pera mo by investing in something. So sana yung Pilipinas, no, mas marami tayong ma-educate, i-tag nyo yung mga friends nyo na gustong matutong mag-invest para maturuan natin sila na mag-invest properly. So, yun yung gusto nating magawa, no, sa Pilipinas. Matulungan yung mga Pilipino na makapag-invest and maging financially better off individuals and families. Diba? So, yun yung pag-aaralan natin tonight. Ano nga ba yung market that you should start with this 2022 if hindi ka pa nagsa-start, or saan mo dapat ilipat ang pera mo? No? Ano yung mga markets na pwede mong itry? Ayun. So, again, no? I have to teach you guys something, and to teach you, kailangan alam ko siya. Kailangan meron akong experience. Hindi ko siya pwedeng ituro sa'yo kung hindi ko pa siya nagagawa, hindi pa ako nakapag-invest dito. So, I'm going to limit this into 5 investment opportunities. So, meron tayong stocks or equities, no? Wherein we can invest in companies. Meron tayong mutual funds, meron tayong crypto, forex and commodities, and real estate. So, ikikwento ko na lang yung story ko, no, kung paano ako nakapag-invest sa mga bagay na ito along the way. Pero I will limit it to this. I'm sure marami pang other investment opportunities dyan na maganda. Katulad ng mga SSS and mga pag-ibig. Although hindi kasi ako very familiar with those, no? That is not my what I can teach right now. So ito, mag-start muna tayo with these. No? So, okay. So anong ibig sabihin nito? For me kasi, yung investing para siyang sport, no? And later on, papakita natin bakit parang sport yung investing. And isa rin siyang, for me this pandemic, yung pag-i-invest is really an essential thing that you have to do. Aside from physical health and physical fitness ngayong panahon ng COVID, kailangan meron din tayong pera kasi di natin alam, ang daming nangyayaring masama sa mundo, and we need to be financially okay, no? So, importante yung health and wealth at the same time. So, ngayon, ihahambing natin yung investing sa sports. No? So, kapag nagsa-sports ka, kailangan alam mo yung mechanics kung paano manalo, paano maka-points, paano makadepensa, no? Kapag naglalaro ka ng basketball or ng chess or kung anumang sport yung nilalaro mo. And ganun din sa investing. So, ipapakita ko yung few core principles na kailangan nating maintindihan if you want to start investing. And marami sa mga ka-invest natin dito ang knowledgeable about this, no? So feel free to share the knowledge that you will have here to your friends if hindi pa sila nag-i-invest. But una talaga is technical analysis and fundamental analysis, no? So what is technical analysis? It is the study of price action and volume. Essentially, pag-aaralan mo dito yung movement ng price, bakit siya tumataas, bakit siya bumababa, and the supply and demand. So, meron tayong mga lessons sa Investa University about this, and fundamental analysis. So, kapag nag-i-invest ka sa isang bagay, isipin mo, bakit ba ako mag-i-invest dito? Ano yung value sa bagay na ito? For example, nag-invest ka sa isang art, no? Ano yung value nito? Sino yung artist na gumawa ng art na ito? Maganda ba yung designs niya? Maganda ba yung art style niya? And yun yung fundamental analysis. Sa stocks, iisipin mo, ano bang silbi ng kumpanya na ito? Kumikita ba sila? Sa crypto, ano silbi ng crypto na ito? May technological something ba tong crypto na makakatulong sa ating lahat in the future? No, ito bang Bitcoin na to, magagamit ko talaga to para makabili ng isang pizza? So yun yung fundamental analysis. Whereas yung technical analysis, you're looking at the charts, at the price action, at supply and demand. So I'm not gonna delve into that, no? Pero if you want to start investing, this is something that you really need to learn, no? And this is where I also started back then. No, una nagbabasa pa lang ako ng mga libro ni, if kilala nyo si Bo Sanchez, binasa ko yung My Maid Invests in the Stock Market or something like that. No? So doon nag-start yung journey ko, and nagbasa ako ng technical analysis, inintindi ko siya, may mga patterns pala na ganito pala magbasa ng chart. And then susunod na, nagbasa na ako ng mga fundamental, yung mga books nila Warren Buffett or ni Benjamin Graham, no? Maintindihan natin kung ano nga ba yung mga financial ratios na nagpapatunay na okay tong kumpanyang to. So this is part of the journey. And huwag kayong matakot kapag sinasabi TA or FA or Technical Analysis and Funda. Kasi ang daming learning resources online na available na dati hindi accessible sa lahat. Dati nagpiprint pa ako ng kung ano-anong nakikita ko sa internet. Naghahanap talaga ako ng books. Nung college ako, pupunta ako sa library para lang mabasa to. Ngayon, lahat nasa internet, so huwag kayo matakot. Another thing that you need when you want to start investing, no, aside from, kasi for me, itong technical analysis and fundamental analysis, it helps you predict or it helps you score, 'di ba? Kung kumbaga sa basketball, ito yung makakatulong sa iyo to increase your probabilities of success when investing, no? So, magkakaroon ka ng insight na okay pa lang mag-invest dito. So, yun yung ginagawa ng technical analysis. Kumbaga sa basketball, makaka-points ka pag marunong ka mag-technical analysis, marunong ka mag-shoot, marunong ka mag-dribble, at kung ano-ano pa. Next naman is ito, no? This is, for me, the holy grail of investing, which is risk management, no? So, kailangan matutunan mong depensahan yung position mo, no? Hindi lang porket marunong ka mag-TA and FA, laging tama yung decision mo. So, kailangan, when you're putting your money into something, you have to make sure that that is the money that you are willing to lose. Or, you have to risk less but expect a greater reward. So, kailangan marunong ka mag-manage ng risks. And sa mga iba't ibang markets na ipapakita natin later, this might look different for each, no? And the next one that you really have to do if you really want to invest in something is you need to immerse yourself in it. Kasi kailangan mo siyang pag-aralan, ano nga ba yung TAFA dito sa market na ito. Kailangan mo rin mag-training. So, merong mga different ways to train into that kind of market. So, merong mga virtual trading. Pwede ka mag-start investing with a small amount of capital. Kasi kailangan mo talaga ng experience eh. And huwag kayong matakot kasi it's all part of the journey kung kuwari nag-lose ka ng 1,000, 5,000. It's really part of the journey. So, yun yung tuition fee mo. So, yun. Yun lang yung quick segue natin, no, before we start with the few markets that I will be sharing and discussing tonight. So, I hope you guys are okay, no? And I hope you guys are good and safe wherever you are. Good evening sa inyong lahat. No? So, let's start. So, just to share my journey, saan nga ba ako nagsimula? And bakit should I be teaching you this, no? So, everything that I will be teaching will be based on experience. I'm not the best trader or investor in the world, no? Marami tayong idol dyan sa investing scene. And I've been lucky enough to be able to come across investing ever since I was high school or grade school pa nga. Tinuturo na sa akin na mag-stock market ka. Ito yung sugal ng mayaman. And then yun, na-curious ako nung 2015, nag-start ako mag-invest sa stock market. And this is where it all began. No? So, ito yung naging, kumbaga, gateway drug ko for all the other investing opportunities. So, I'm really thankful na natutunan ko kung paano mag-invest sa stock market. Nung mga times na wala pang crypto, wala pang kung ano-anong new age investing, no? Ito yung nag-open ng mga mata ko, and I hope na masimulan nyo rin this year kasi very helpful to sa buhay ko, and i-share ko na lang later kung paano siya naging helpful sa akin. Hindi lang sa pera, matututo ka rin mag-isip ng mas maigi, matututo kang magtipid. And yeah, sige, simulan na natin with the first one, which is my favorite, di ba? Yung stock market. Kasi ito yung OG talaga. Now, kung gusto mo mag-start mag-invest sa stock market, sinasabi nila na merong 8,000 yung best, no, minimum position mo sa isang stock. Kasi below 8,000 pesos, medyo mas mataas yung fees na babayaran mo or hindi siya optimal. So for me, lahat to based on my opinions, no. So I think the ideal starting capital if you want to invest in the stock market is 25,000 pesos. Bakit, no? Syempre, pwede ka naman mag-start with as low as 5,000, pwede yun. Pwede ka rin mag-virtual trading, meron tayo sa Investa. Pero kung gusto mo talagang ma-feel, no, yung nag-i-invest ka talaga sa stock market and gusto mo ma-feel na kapag nagka-loss ka, medyo masakit, no? Medyo masakit, pero pag kumita ka, medyo masaya. 25,000 pesos yung, I think, very optimal. Although you can start with 10K, 15K, 8K. Pero for me, optimal yung 25. Kasi with 25, pwede kang makabili, for example, ng tatlong stocks without paying too much fees, no? So, yun. And the time horizon, if you want to start investing in the stock market, I would say would be mid to long term. So, unlike other markets, yung mga dini-day trade, yung stock market, medyo mahirap siyang i-day trade. Kasi, una, konti lang yung nag-i-invest dito, so maliit lang yung liquidity, which means mahirap talagang mag-in and out in just one day sa stock market. And yung volatility niya, hindi sobrang lakas. Makikita nyo dito, yung volatility na nilagay ko is 3 out of 5. So, not as volatile, no, as an instrument, pero it's a good investment for a mid to long term. Although, syempre ako, nakakapag buy and sell ako in 1 week, 2 weeks, minsan a few days, pero hindi pa ako nakakapag day trade, although I know it's possible, especially kapag may mga IPO or may mga hype stocks na talagang nagliliparan in just one day. Although right now, makikita natin na sa stock market, at least sa Pilipinas, no, very low pa yung ating volatility. Hindi pa siya sobrang bullish, hindi pa siya sobrang bearish. So, ayun. For me, mid to long term endeavor ang stock market. And for me, personally, the time I spent investing in the stock market is just an hour a day. During the weekends, mas naglalagay ako ng time to analyze, to look at more charts. Pero, an hour a day lang yung kailangan mo if you want to invest in the stock market. For me, as soon as nagbukas yung market, tinitignan ko siya. And pag nagko-close na siya, tinitignan ko rin siya. So, siguro 30 minutes. So, yun, 1 hour lang per day yung sinispend ko for the stock market. So, for the pros and cons naman ng ating stock market, no? Una, you'll understand the local business and economic environment. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So, kapag nag-i-invest ka sa stock market, at least sa Pilipinas, medyo magigets mo kung ano yung nangyayari kasi nasa Pilipinas ka eh. Nakikita mo kung kumusta yung ekonomiya ng bansa, nakikita mo kung ano yung mga businesses na nagtathrive, nag-hype. Right now, for example, makikita mo na lumalakas yung mga mining stocks sa Pilipinas, and that's because okay yung prices, no, ng commodities globally. 'Di ba? And kunwari, lumalakas yung mga energy companies ng Pilipinas, so makikita mo rin yun sa market. And since nasa Pilipinas ka, mas may intindihan mo yung business sense sa pag-i-invest, no? So, another pros for investing in the stock market is yung learning materials is widely accessible. Kasi sobrang tagal na ng stock market and sobrang dami na ng legends, no, na nakapag-invest sa stock market. Ang daming libro, ang daming anecdotes, ang daming material online that you can learn about. No? Nandito yung mga financial ratios, tinuturo yan sa college, malalaman mo yan sa mga libro, 'di ba? The cons naman, it's a long-only market. So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-short. So, you can only win or profit if the stock market is going up. At least here in the Philippines, the stock market. No? And it's highly dependent on the local economy. So, kapag pangat yung economy ng Pilipinas, no, and kapag hindi okay yung overall economic environment sa bansa, highly dependent yung performance ng market na yon sa performance ng bansa. So kapag matagal tayong nasa bear market, which means pababa yung mga prices, bumababa for a long time, medyo mahirap kumita. So yun yung one of the cons, no, if you are going to start investing in the stock market. And next is low liquidity. So, kunwari, siguro para sa mga sobrang laki ng pera, mahirap na maglagay ng, kunwari, 1 million, 2 million sa isang position kasi konti lang talaga yung nag-i-invest pa sa stock market. At saka, medyo konti lang rin yung options mo. We have roughly 270 companies that you can invest in, and hindi yun lahat maganda yung liquidity. Meaning, hindi lahat mataas yung volume na makapag-invest ka safely enough. So yeah. But this is, I guess, my favorite. Kasi dito talaga ako nagsimula and I've been able to profit from this market the most. No? And I've been investing in the stock market sa Pilipinas for going 7 years na this year. So, Ayun. And dito rin nagsimula si Investa kaya malapit sa puso ko syempre yung stock market. And yung risk appetite mo, higher than average dapat. Next is foreign exchange or Forex. No. So for me, and this is not according to any book out there, this is according to what I have experienced, the ideal starting capital would be around 5 to 10,000 pesos. So, unlike sa PSE, 'di ba? Kailangan at least 8k yung positions mo. Sa Forex, pwede siguro yung lower kasi meron kang leverage. So, explain ko yun later. So, yung time horizon naman for Forex, for me, is short to mid-term. Although may mga taong successfully nakapag-invest in the long term sa foreign exchange, kaso kailangan mas naiintindihan mo talaga yung global macroeconomic factors talaga kung gusto mo ng long-term investing sa Forex. Pero for me, ideal na yung short to mid-term na investing style, no? Kapag gusto mo mag-invest sa Forex. Yung volatility, nakalagay dito is 1 out of 5. So mahina lang yung volatility kasi 'di ba, yung Forex is foreign exchange. Pera siya versus the US dollar, pera siya versus the British pound, no? And hindi naman everyday nagbabago ng 51, 52, 53 pesos yung pesos versus the dollar, 'di ba? Maliliit lang yung changes niya every single day. So technically, it's not a very volatile instrument. Pero kapag nag-invest ka sa Forex, they use pips, no? So yung maliliit na micro movements sa foreign exchange currencies, yun yung tinitrade ng mga tao. And to make it make sense, usually people use leverage kapag nag-invest sa Forex. So kung wari yung position mo ay naglagay ka ng 10,000, yung leverage is a multiplier. So yung position mo pwede niyang i-multiply. No? So kung naglagay ka ng 10,000 tapos nag-leverage ka ng times 10, yung 10k mo parang 100,000. So kapag kumita ka sa 10k mo, para kang kumita sa 100k. Pero ang pangat sa leverage, if nagka-loss ka, no, lalaki rin yung loss mo. So yun lang yung ibig sabihin ng leverage. So sa Forex, usually ginagamit talaga ng tao yung leverage dahil nga very not volatile instrument siya. And then, for me, nung nag-invest ako sa Forex, I just spent 1 hour per day, no? Just to look at the charts. And then, depending on what kind of system that you have, no? Magbabago rin to yung time spent. Pero, for me, the pros naman is meron kang long and short. Of course, pwede mong bilhin yung currency na to versus the currency dito. So, kung tumaas man yan or bumaba, meron kang opportunity to make money. Nasabi ko, meron siyang leverage, no? So, you can use that to your advantage, and there's high liquidity kasi sobrang daming nagtitrade ng foreign exchange, no? Hindi ka mahihirapan na maglagay ng pera. The cons naman is, yun nga, nasabi ko kanina, kailangan kung gusto, especially if you want to invest in Forex long term, kailangan na iintindihan mo yung global macroeconomic factors na nangyayari sa mundo. So, anong nangyayari sa Japan? Bibilhin mo ba yung Japanese yen? Bibilhin mo ba yung Great British Pound? Bibilhin mo ba yung US dollar? And bakit? So, unlike nag-invest sa stock market, di ba? Makikita mo, oy, si San Miguel, mayroong magandang earnings. Oy, si ganitong company, may in-acquire na company. Di ba? Parang ang dali intindihin, no? Kasi nandito siya, parang very localized. Pero kapag nag-invest ka sa Forex, meron tong mga economic calendars na kailangan mong maintindihan, may mga economic reports na kailangan mong bantayan. Kasi pag naging positive yung results, tataas bigla. Tapos pag pangit yung results, biglang babagsak bigla. So kailangan inaalam mo yung mga ganong bagay. And cons din is, kahit nasa pros siya, is yung leverage. Kasi nga, pwede niyang ma-multiply hindi lang yung profits, pati yung losses mo. So ako, nung nag-invest ako sa Forex, nung ako ay college, naglagay ako ng, I think 5,000 or 15, hindi ako sure. Pero nag-aral ako, may pinuntahan akong teacher, no, na nagtuturo ng Forex. And then, tinrade ko siya. And then napansin ko, for a few minutes, ang dami mong pwedeng makitang pera. No? Pwede mo siyang gawing sugal kasi yung segundo-segundo changes ng prices sa Forex, pwede mo na siyang pagkakitaan. So talagang chinuchupit ng mga tao yung Forex. So ako, nung nag-invest ako dito, medyo naging greedy ako. So every day, ang goal ko is ma-double yung pera ko. So, nagawa ko siya. First day, na-double ko yung 5K. Next day, na-double ko ulit. Grabe. Yung 10K ko, naging 20K. Tapos, on the third day, no, naging greedy ako. Nagkaroon ako ng Superman syndrome or something. Feeling ko, tatama na naman yung position ko. Naglagay ako ng malaking leverage doon sa isang position. And yung pera ko na nadoble ko, lahat siya nawala in just one position. So, yun yung problema ko sa leverage. Although it's something that you can tame, you can learn. Siguro if I start investing in Forex again now, I'll be more wise, no? Compared to before. Pero yeah, that's something that you have to expect if you want to invest in this. And meron tayong friends over at XM that will give us a few dollars bonus if you want to start investing with them, no? If you want to make an account with XM. So, I'll just put the link here if you're interested in trading Forex. Yon. There you go. So, ano yung next? So, for the risk appetite naman sa Forex, nilagay ko 3 out of 5. Although, if naging greedy ka, pwedeng maging 4 out of 5 yan. Pero, ideally, pwede mo pa rin siya i-trade. Like a normal, katulad ng stocks. Yon. So, next one is medyo kakaiba naman kasi mutual funds. No? If mapapansin nyo, very different siya kasi it's not something na tinitrade mo in the short term. So, mutual funds is a professionally managed funds. No? Ito yung maglalagay ka ng pera tapos sila yung magmamanage para sa'yo. And yung performance nila, yung performance na mabibigay sa'yo, yung profits na mabibigay sa'yo. So, if you want to invest in mutual funds, no, punta lang kayo sa ating new Investa app. No, pero ano nga ba to? So, ideally, pwede ka mag-start as low as, actually, 1,000 pesos nga lang. Pwede ka na mag-invest eh. Pero, for me, ideal na yung mag-start ka with 5,000 pesos. And yung strategy dito is long-term. Hindi siya parang, sobrang technical mo, tinitingnan mo yung price charts ng iba't ibang mutual funds. Ang technique dito sa mutual funds is long-term. No? And for me, it's a good investment, especially if you want to fix your finances. No, 'di ba kasi yung trading hindi naman siya para sa lahat eh. Yung mutual funds is a good way for you to become more financially aware kasi kapag nag-iinvest ka sa mutual funds, makikita mo na slowly, kumikita yung pera ko. Pero to make the most out of this, I really need to put more money in this regularly, no? And yun yung value na nakikita ko sa mga longer term investment opportunities. And I was able to invest in mutual funds, especially nung nagsimula yung pandemic. Kasi nung nag-crash yung pandemic, lahat nagbagsakan. Yung stock market bumagsak. Even the crypto markets nag-crash nung time na 2020, simula ng 2020. Nung kaka-announce pa lang na mayroon palang pandemic, mayroong COVID na nangyayari. So, I was able to allocate more money in my mutual funds because it was a better investment at that time. So, pwede yun, no? Pwede ka rin mag-timing kung kailan mo ilalagay yung pera mo sa mga longer-term investment. So, volatility, 1 to 3 depending on what kind of mutual fund. And yung time spent mo, ito yung isa pang value ng mutual funds. Hindi mo kailangan mag-spend ng 1 hour per day. No? If nakakita ka na ng mutual fund na gusto mo talagang investan, all you need is an hour a week or a month. No? So, pros nito is professionally managed yung funds. If wala ka masyadong time to study the market, study the charts, study the fundamentals, this is a good option for you if you want to be financially better off. No, it's a low-risk investment. Pero, of course, merong cons, di ba? It's not for everyone rin because medyo mabagal yung growth. No? So, slow growth siya pero consistent and kailangan long-term talaga yung hawak mo. So, kailangan may patience ka na tao. And makikita mo dito na yung risk appetite ay 2 out of 5. Alright, so punta naman tayo sa next. This one is for the big boys, no, real estate. So medyo kakaiba. Although pwede ka rin mag-invest in REITs, no? REITs or Real Estate Investment Trust, no? Sa ating pag nag-open ka ng isang account with your brokerage, no? Pero pag-usapan muna natin yung real estate konti and after this pag-usapan natin yung crypto, no? So, real estate, ang problema dito, yung ideal starting capital mo is malaki. Diba? Kasi hindi naman mumurahin yung lupa, hindi naman mumurahin yung house and lot or yung condo, 'di ba? Malaki talaga yung kailangan mong ilagay na pera. So I think if you want to start investing in real estate, kailangan medyo well off ka na financially. And yung time horizon dito is medyo long term kasi ang hirap i-flip ng real estate. May mga experts like sila Sir Noli Alieje, mga speakers natin sa dating InvestaFest, may mga magagaling talaga na mag-flip ng properties. Pero ideally, long-term talaga yung time horizon. Kasi matagal mag-appreciate yung real estate. It's a physical thing talaga. So yung time spent naman, kailangan mag-allocate ka ng maraming time and effort when prospecting, no, for what kind of real estate you would like to buy. Pupuntahan mo yung mga lugar. You need to do your due diligence. Tama ba yung documents? Legal ba to? Talaga bang legit tong seller na ito, yung developer? Yun yung mga kailangan mong isipin, no? So marami kang time na kailangan ilagay sa real estate. Pero ang maganda dyan, if nakabili ka na, nakapili ka na, and may tama kang financing, hindi mo na siya iisipin everyday. Unlike the financial markets na titignan mo yung charts, gigising ka, titignan mo yung stock market, kumusta, red ba or green, di ba? Hindi. Alam mo na may lupa ka, meron kang pwedeng i-inherit para sa mga anak mo, 'di ba? So yung pros nito, scarce resource ang real estate. So hindi naman infinite yung lupa sa mundo, hindi infinite yung lupa sa Pilipinas. So kapag scarce ang isang resource, talagang tumataas yung value nila over time. Next is may utility siya. So kumpara mo dun sa mga investments na pinag-usapan natin, pwede mo siyang gamitin for your own place, pwede mo siyang gamitin as house and lot, pwede mong ipamana sa mga anak mo. And maraming financing options if you want to invest in real estate. So punta ka sa mga pag-ibig, makakahanap ka ng ways for you to start investing in real estate. May mga bank loans na pwede kang i-avail, no? And ang cons nito, ayun, medyo mahirap i-track yung performance ng real estate. Kasi wala naman masyadong charts, di ba? Wala namang real-time price action na nakikita kapag nag-invest ka sa real estate. And kailangan medyo mataas yung capitalization mo. So, kung trip mo yung real estate, pero gusto mong mawala yung big starting capital, pwede kang mag-invest sa REITs, sa Real Estate Investment Trust. So, para maka-invest ka dyan, mag-create ka lang ng isang account sa iyong stock market brokerage, no? And doon maka-invest ka na rin sa mga real estate, sa mga REITs. No, yun kahit na 5,000 pesos lang pwede ka na mag-invest. And finally, ito na ang favorite ng lahat, no? Ito na ang favorite ng ito ang favorite ng ating mga. Alright. So, sino dito yung mga nag-i-invest sa cryptocurrency? No? Taas ng kamay. Comment naman kayo dyan, guys. Sino yung mga nag-i-invest sa crypto? So, nag-start ako ng crypto noong 2019. Although, kumita ako kasi nag-invest ako sa Bitcoin nung time na yun. Meron akong mga mentors sa Open Journal. And, yun, malaki yung kinita ko dun. Although right now, nag-crypto ulit ako. And, medyo mahirap siya and hindi ko pa siya gamay. So, yung ideal starting capital, I think, for crypto is around 10 to 20,000 pesos. So, unlike stocks, depending on saan ka mag-open ng account, kung anong exchange, may leverage options din sila. Pero I think 10 to 20,000 would be a good starting capital if you're beginning your investment journey sa crypto, no? Now, yung time horizon is, I would say, short to mid-term. Meron ding mga naglo-long-term investing sa crypto, pero kailangan medyo malaki yung patience mo kasi grabe yung volatility sa crypto market, no? In a few days, ilang percent, 10, 20% yung magiging volatility. Isipin mo, kaya mo bang hawakan yung position mo na ganun kalaki? Yung changes for every single day. So if ilo-long-term investment mo siya, kaya mo bang hawakan yun na nag-down siya 20% today? Hindi ka ba matatakot? Hindi ka ba mapapraning? So kailangan mo isipin yun. Now, kapag nag-invest ka sa crypto, depending on your strategy, for me, 1 to 3 hours a day would suffice. no? Just to check the markets, the coins, and yung pros ng crypto investing is high volatility. So kahit na nakakatakot siya, in a way, yun yung way mo to make money, yung high volatility. So dito, may mga day traders talaga, may mga kumikita by using intraday charting, no? Yung mga 1-minute charts tinitingnan nila tapos nagki-create ng positions. Although it's not the most effective, no? Kaya siya. And volatility will be your friend if nakahanap ka ng tamang strategy. Next is meron din siyang long and short, no? So kung tumataas siya, pwede ka kumita sa position mo and pwede ka rin mag-short, which means pag bumaba siya, kikita ka pa rin sa position mo. And the same with the other investment vehicles, meron din siyang leverage. Although I would suggest not to start putting leverage, no? Especially kapag kakasimula mo pa lang. Or if magle-leverage ka, dapat sobrang liit lang ng position na nire-risk mo. Kasi tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, risk management is the holy grail, no? So high liquidity, unlike sa PSE, 'di ba? 4 million Filipinos na yung nag-i-invest sa crypto and globally sobrang dami, no? Sobrang dami na nag-i-invest sa crypto. So yung liquidity hindi mo na kailangan isipin pa. And interesting siya kasi new age type of investing siya. So if natuto kang mag-crypto, baka marami pang opportunities na mag-open up sa'yo. Kasi kailangan mong maintindihan yung technology, ano ba tong Bitcoin, ano ba tong Ethereum. Kailangan yung fundamentals is based on what is that coin all about? Is this a trash coin, di ba? Or may sense ba itong coin na to? Is this some kind of technology that will be useful in a few years' time? So yun yung mga iniisip mo pag nag-invest ka sa crypto. Although technical analysis is one of the best ways as well to profit from this. So one of the cons is super volatile. No? Ang laki talaga ng ups and downs for the crypto market and super high risk. No? But depending on your strategy, that's why I said na you have to immerse yourself first before you can be profitable in this market. So yun. So risk appetite mo kailangan medyo mataas. So 4 to 5 yung risk appetite na nilagay ko. So yun yung experience ko with the crypto markets, with those markets. And I hope na may nakuha kayong insight, no, kung paano nga ba mag-invest sa mga bagay na ito. And I hope na this 2021, no, meron kayong nakuha and sana na-inspire namin kayo na makapag-invest, makapag-start as early as now because ang daming opportunities ngayon. May mga kumikita sa NFTs, may mga kumikita sa paglalaro ng NFT games, sa mga Axie, di ba? So exciting. We are living in exciting times. But you really have to do your homework, no? So yun yung mga markets na at least meron akong experience, no? And that is how I view those markets. So if you want to start investing in these, you have to do your due diligence. You have to immerse yourself. You have to train. You need to gain experience, no? Para lang yan nagra-ride ng bike. And bakit bike? Kasi kakabili ko lang ng bike and kahapon na natumba ako tapos tumalipon ako kasi nag-brake ako agad. So although matagal na ako nagbabike, parang ngayon natutunan ko na hindi pala dapat nagbe-brake ng sobrang bilis. So okay lang mahulog kapag nagsa-start ka mag-invest in whatever market, Forex man yan, stock market man yan. Basta pag nagka-losses ka, kailangan matuto ka, kailangan maintindihan mo what works, what did not work. And yun, syempre, 'di ba? Bakit nga ba tayo nag-i-invest? Balikan lang natin kung ano nga ba yung sense ng lahat ng ito. Ngayon pandemic, no, kailangan healthy tayo and at the same time kailangan wealthy rin tayo. Kasi in our lives, 'di ba? Kailangan natin yung pera talaga to sustain anything that we do. So dahil dito sa investing, mas na-feel ko talaga siya na wow, grabe, hindi ako natatakot sa pera, parang meron akong pera pang emergencies. Meron akong pera para sa mga hobbies na gusto kong gawin. Meron akong pera para sa mga kailangan kong bilhin for work, di ba? And meron akong pera for leisure. Meron akong pera para makatulong sa ibang tao. So yun, di ba? Parang yun naman talaga eh. Yun naman yung sense ng investing. Bakit nga ba nag-i-invest yung mga tao? So I hope this 2022, makapag-invest kayo, no? Kung ano man yung gusto nyong i-investan. And sana mag-guide namin kayo throughout this series, no? So that's what this series is all about learning how to invest, ano nga ba yung tamang way of investing. And huwag kayong aalis guys kasi later on meron tayong raffle para sa mga ating Investa app users. So yun lang guys, I hope meron kayong natutunan no sa ating session today. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo, meron kayong nakuhang insight and sana ma-inspire nyo rin yung mga tao na hindi pa nag-i-invest, yung mga friends nyo, ma-inspire nyo sila na guys, kailangan natin to, 'di ba? Kasi yung wealth talaga is something that we need in our lives and it will help us bring us closer to our goals. So that's it mga ka-investa, no? Sana may sense yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito and ayun, ito yung sa akin, no, what market to start with. Sa January 19, meron pa tayong lessons from 7 years of trading. Ako rin yata yan kasi 7 years na ako nag-i-invest and trend following in cryptocurrency. And on January 26 and on January 30, no, meron tayong live charting session. So, yon guys. So, thank you for attending this quick session. No, sana may natutunan kayo. And we will start our raffle and mag-quick break muna tayo before we show sino nga ba yung ating winners for tonight. So let me just play this video for a quick break.
We have one ultimate goal. Enable 10 million Filipinos to invest. 6 years later, our impact on the investing community is undeniable. Filipinos are now equipped with free and accessible financial literacy content and user-friendly trading tools. Although Investa's journey has not been kind, we will never quit nor falter. We are just beginning. It's finally here. The new Investa app, the latest investing platform that will enable Filipinos to invest easily and affordably. Sa halagang 100 pesos, kaya mo nang mag-invest sa top-performing funds locally and globally. Pre-sign-up for early access is now open. You can be the first few to experience the newest Investa app. Take your first step towards becoming an investor. Tuparin natin ang pangarap mo. Ito ang simula. Will you be a part of it?
Ayun, let's move on to our raffle. So for tonight, meron tayong 7 winners, no? 6 winners will win limited edition Investa shirts and 1 will win a year access to the INVESTAPRIME Elite Access. So, yon. Thank you guys for listening, no, to what I had to say tonight. Sana meron kayong napulot and let's move on to our raffle para sa ating mga Investa app winners, Investa app users. And let's start with the first one. Congratulations, Kai, for the Investa shirt. Congratulations, Kai Bulo Sehi. Yon, grabe. Ito si Bulo Sehi, one of the most active participants. Let me just check, no? Baka mamaya nanalo na si Bulo Sehi ng prizes before, hindi pa ba? Alright, so congratulations sa iyo. Meron kang isang Investa shirt, no? So balik natin. So that's 1. Ayan, i-full screen ko para makita nyo. Baka sinasabi nyo, baka isipin nyo, scam. Ayan, so Bulo Sehi, congratulations for winning 1 limited edition Investa shirt. That's 1. Let's move on to the next one. Congratulations naman, Kai. Alright. Congratulations kay AceHun10. Congratulations sa iyo. 1 winner. Limited edition t-shirt. Next, for the third winner, we have... Dapat pala may sound effects to. Yun. Shout out muna sa lahat ng nandito pa. No? Thank you everyone for being here. Congrats Grabe, nabubulol na ako. Congratulations kay Naz CH. No? Bilisan natin ng konti para we can save more time. For the last 3, congratulations naman kay Raymar 211214. Congratulations sa iyo. Isa kang winner ng Investa limited edition shirt. 2 more winners. We have Soki Kai. Yon, another active participant sa Investa. No, congratulations. And one more. Congratulations finally kay Paul_R. So I hope 6 na yon. If hindi pa yon 6, let me know guys. Baka mali yung pagbibilihan ko. And finally, our winner for 1 year INVESTAPRIME Elite access for 1 year. Congratulations kay Wilmon. Congratulations sa iyo. So per 5K na investment sa new Investa app, that is equivalent to 1 raffle entry. So congratulations sa inyong lahat, sa mga winners natin. And I hope na, meron kayong natutunan for tonight. I hope na makapag-invest kayo or makapag-diversify if you want to invest in other markets. Again, that is my experience in the markets. That's purely based on my opinion, no? And kung gusto nyo magsimula mag-invest, this is the time, 2022. Yun lang mga ka-investa. I hope nag-enjoy kayo, may natutunan, and see you all in the next session. Paalam mga ka-investa.